The 2025 Maruti Suzuki S-Presso has arrived, and it's making waves in the small car segment with its unique design, fuel efficiency, and modern features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, stylish, and practical car, the new S-Presso is a strong contender. Let's dive deep into what makes this car special and why it could be the perfect choice for you. Maruti Suzuki has consistently delivered cars that cater to the needs of Indian consumers. The S-Presso, introduced as a micro SUV, combines the advantages of a hatchback with the rugged appeal of an SUV. In 2025, the company has refined the model further, bringing improvements in design, performance, safety, and technology. One of the first things you'll notice about the new S-Presso is its bold and upright stance. The high ground clearance and SUV-inspired elements give it a strong presence on the road. The front grille is more pronounced, featuring a new chrome-accented design that adds a touch of elegance. The redesigned LED DRLs and headlamps enhance visibility while making the car look modern and stylish. The updated bumper design provides a muscular look, making the S-Presso stand out among small cars. Maruti Suzuki has introduced new dual-tone color options for the 2025 model, giving customers more choices to express their personality. The roof rails and blacked-out ORVMs add to the sporty appeal. The compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver in city traffic, while the boxy design ensures ample cabin space. Step inside the S-Presso, and you'll be greeted with a well-designed, ergonomic interior. Maruti has focused on maximizing space, ensuring both the driver and passengers have a comfortable ride. The dashboard now features a new infotainment system with a larger touchscreen display, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This makes navigation, music, and calls more accessible, enhancing the overall driving experience. The instrument cluster is digital, providing real-time information with improved graphics. The AC vents are uniquely placed for better airflow, ensuring comfort during long journeys. The seats offer good cushioning, and the fabric upholstery has been updated with new textures for a premium feel. The rear seats provide decent legroom, making the S-Presso a practical choice for small families. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki S-Presso is its improved engine performance. It continues to be powered by the reliable 1.0-liter K10C dual-jet petrol engine, which has been fine-tuned for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The engine produces around 67 bhp and 89 Nm of torque, providing a peppy performance for city driving. The lightweight HEARTECT platform ensures a good power-to-weight ratio, making the S-Presso feel nimble and responsive. The 5-speed manual gearbox remains smooth, and the AMT automated manual transmission option has been refined for quicker shifts. Maruti Suzuki has also introduced a CNG variant for eco-conscious buyers. The factory-fitted CNG kit provides excellent mileage, making the S-Presso one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its segment. With fuel prices constantly rising, having a CNG option is a huge plus for budget-conscious buyers. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 S-Presso. Maruti Suzuki has upgraded the car to comply with the latest safety norms. The inclusion of 6 airbags in the top variant provides enhanced protection in case of a collision. The car also features ABS with EBD, Hill Hold Assist for AMT models, Electronic Stability Program (ESP), and rear parking sensors. The HEARTECT platform ensures better crash absorption, improving occupant safety. With improved build quality and structural enhancements, the S-Presso provides better safety than its previous versions. The ride quality of the 2025 S-Presso has improved with a better tuned suspension setup. The McPherson strut front suspension and torsion beam rear suspension absorb bumps efficiently, ensuring a comfortable drive on uneven roads. The steering is light, making it easy to maneuver in traffic and park in tight spaces. The turning radius is small, which adds to the convenience of driving in congested city areas. The higher ground clearance ensures the car handles rough patches and speed breakers with ease. Maruti Suzuki has always been known for its fuel-efficient cars, and the 2025 S-Presso continues this tradition. The petrol variant delivers an impressive mileage of around 25 km/h under ideal conditions. The CNG variant pushes fuel economy even further, making it one of the most cost-effective choices for daily commutes. Maruti's extensive service network is another big advantage. Whether you're in a metro city or a small town, finding a service center is never a problem. The maintenance cost of the S-Presso is low, making it an excellent long-term investment. One of the key strengths of the S-Presso is its affordability. Maruti Suzuki has positioned it as an entry-level car with SUV-like characteristics. The pricing is competitive, making it accessible to first-time buyers and those looking for a reliable city car. The different variants cater to different needs. The base model is ideal for budget-conscious buyers, while the higher trims come packed with modern features like touchscreen infotainment, power windows, keyless entry, and alloy wheels. The CNG variant adds another layer of savings for those who have high daily usage. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki S-Presso is a well-rounded package for those looking for a stylish, efficient, and budget-friendly car. Its SUV-inspired design, compact dimensions, and feature-rich cabin make it an attractive option in the small car segment. With its improved safety features, refined engine, and Maruti's reliability, the S-Presso continues to be a great choice for city dwellers and first-time car buyers. If you're in the market for an affordable and practical car, the 2025 S-Presso deserves a spot on your list. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates on the latest cars and reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let me know in the comments what you think about the new S-Presso.